Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. Here today to show you the 2019 170 crew van, 2019 6-cylinder 7-speed transmission. This is a diesel, and as you can see, the gross vehicle weight. On the 2019, we do have the backup camera up there. So this is the 170 long wheelbase. So you have about 14 feet with your pipe. As you can see, plenty of space because it's a crew van. It's finished on the roof, gives you better sound. And as you can see, you have the seat for 3 people. With a crew van, you have the side windows on both sides, good for visibility as well as you're making your turns. As you can see, you have your bench seat for 3 people. You can take your crew. Again, this is the 170 and it is all finished on the roof, ceiling. It gives you a better sound quality. With the 2019, we have the key fob, so it is a push start. As you can see, this one currently does not have a radio, but one can be installed. This is all your heating as well. Over here you do have your cruise control, wipers, and it is a electronic shift. We have your cup holders here, your 12-volt down there. So again, they have storage here for your cell phone as well. We have storage 2 other places as well. Here is and up above. So this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester showing you the 2019 170 crew van. If you have any questions or I can be of assistance, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 603-702-2373. Thanks, and make it a great day.